Hey, it's Brian with Old Man New Tech, and I've been outside doing some yard work with my PaMu Slide Minis, and gotta tell you, they've been staying in pretty good. Here comes my full review.
Brilliant! Brilliant!
Hey, so if you've been on the internet looking for earbuds, or if you've done a search on YouTube for reviews on any earbuds, odds are you've seen plenty of the PaMu Slide Mini commercials. That's the one where the guys are shaking their heads all around. So I thought I'd reach out and get a pair of these PaMu Slide Minis and show you what all the fuss was about. Now I'm going to take a deep dive review of the PaMu Slide Minis, and we're going to do it right here on Old Man New Tech. It's a place where I take a look at budget electronics from a Generation X's perspective, and I do it to save you money. But I can't do this without you, so if you could, please hit subscribe down below, shoot me a little love, some thumbs up, maybe give me some comments, and we'll blow this channel up. Now, some companies have taken the concept of AirPods and elevated it and kept the price point relatively low. 50 bucks is hardly a dent in your wallet as compared to like 150 to 250 bucks for the AirPods 2 or the AirPods Pro. PaMu sent me a set of these. Now, as always, I want to give you my honest opinion of them and the pros and cons, so please stick around to the very end and you'll see if it gets a big thumbs up from me. Now, I'm going to come out of the gate and let you know that the PaMu Slide Minis are a decent set of earbuds that come in with some surprising features, all for under 50 bucks. Now, PaMu claims that the PaMu Slide Mini has fantastic phone quality with quad microphone noise canceling tech. They've also got IPX6 rated waterproof, so I can sweat on them, I can get them wet. I'm not going to want to submerge them, but I'll be able to keep them clean because ears could be a gross place. They also have one-touch sensitive controls, including volume, which sometimes you don't find on budget earbuds. Now, you're going to get a whopping 10 hours on a single charge with another 30 hours of use with the case. Now, here's the kicker. You also get Qi wireless charging built right into the case. Now, that's pretty impressive. You're also going to have awesome sound quality with floating 6mm drivers and the Qualcomm QCC 3020 chip. Now, that's going to give me some really good noise separation and excellent sound quality. So let's see if the Slide PaMu Mini lives up to these promises and unbox these little bad boys. Okay, so your PaMu Slide Minis are going to show up in a nice compact box. Got the graphics on the front. PaMu Slide Mini. Qualcomm aptX, that means we're going to have some great sound with these, at least I hope we will. And let's slide them out. Ooh, very nice, very classy, flat black on the inside. And how do we get this open here? Ooh. Whoa, very cool. We've got a magnetic box. I like that. I'm looking forward to this. Cool little plastic cover there. Inside, we're presented with a total view of the product. I also like that. We're going to take these out. Ooh, very cool. So we have the PaMu Slide Mini earbuds. Now, I've not reviewed the PaMu Slides, but from what I understand, they're about the same size as these. A little bulbous right here, and I can see the microphones here on top. I got R and L delineating right and left, and the stems are fairly small, with microphones on the bottoms of the stems as well. Let's take a look at the case. All right, we got a little ribbon here to pull the case out of the packaging. And of course we got that nice protective cover. Let's peel that off. Ta-da! And we got the PaMu logo on top. Not too obnoxious. It's a very small case. I mean, it really fits in the palm of my hand. USB-C charging on the back. I've got 4 LED lights on the front so I can see how much charge I have on the case. And we're going to put these in and we're going to power them up. I can see a little red light indicating that they are charging. Let's see how much of a charge we have on that case. All right, 4 bars. I like that. And let's see what we have underneath here. Well, that's cute. I got a little carrying case. Got some additional silicone tips. Let's see how many we got here. Okay, so I got small, medium, and large silicone tips. Wow, I've got another bag of silicone tips. Let's check these out. Okay, so these are black silicone tips. Now it has the medium ones on it, and these are a little smoother and a little different shaped. So they're made of a different material. I'm gonna hold up the other ones here so you can see the difference. Now I read up on these. Apparently these create more of a seal, so you get an extra bass effect when you listen to the PaMu Slide Minis. These clearer ones allow for a little less noise cancellation, so you'll be able to hear a little bit more of the outdoors and the surrounding area, and they will give you more tone in your listening experience. And we've got a user manual, and I am going to read this to see how the functions work on it, and the PaMu instructions as to how the tips actually work. So did a little reading up on these, and it's pretty cool how the different materials affect the sound differently. Finally, we have our USB-C charging cable. I do like the fact that they've converted to USB-C. Good job, PaMu. So this is everything you get. Now let's sync them up. All right, we'll take these out of our case. Whoa, that was fast. Before I could even pick up the phone, there's my PaMu Slide Mini. Let's just touch on that. And boom, we're connected. Let's confirm that we're paired. And we are good to go. All right, I'm getting ready to try these on, and like I said, I do love the size of that case, man. It is nice and small, and it's gonna fit into my jeans real easy.
That's what she said.
So I've got them paired. I'm gonna try them on here. Again, they've got kind of a bulbous end to them, and we're gonna see if that creates a really decent profile. Right, left, and we're going for the insert. I'm twisting them in, and surprisingly, they're relatively snug. Now these earbuds have a rubberized coating around the end here. I don't know if you can see that good, but this will help them stay in place, and they really pride themselves on being shake-proof, so we're gonna give that a test here in a second. Okay, so we're synced up, and today Old Man New Tech is listening to Bubbles by Hoshi Horikawa on Spotify. Look it up. Pretty sweet to test the earbuds too. And I'm hitting play. All right. Sound separation is excellent. Wow. Okay. So we've got 6mm drivers, and apparently there's some sort of floating or pivoting driver in this that helps move the sound around in your ears. All right. I've got deep, almost vibrating bass levels. Wait, did I say bass? That's the fish. No, I meant bass levels. So the PaMu Slide Minis are great for bass heads if you do like bass, and that's with these black tips in them. They have the other ones that are a little bit more clear, that allow more sound to pass through, that give you more of a tonal effect. Now the bass vibrating has a little bit of bleed over to the mid ranges, but it still sounds very good, and the highs are also quite clear. And I'm getting a really spacious sound as far as sound separation goes. Those Qualcomm chips are doing wonders for the sound separation with the PaMu Slide Mini. Now they're loud enough to do some damage if you want to. I don't recommend it. So they have very nice sound. I mean, you're not going to be disappointed whatsoever. Now these are Bluetooth 5.0, so you're going to get excellent range out of them. I've been able to walk around my house with them, and I also noticed that there was very little latency. So I've synced them up with my phone, watched YouTube. I've also synced them up with my laptop, and I've done conference calls with them. No lag whatsoever, at least that I was able to notice. Now we're trying out the controls. One touch to start up. Long hold for volume. Whoa. Left here hold to volume down. Double tap to skip to the next track. Cancel. And the voice assist works as well. Now the PaMu Slide Mini earbuds, I'm happy to report, also give you great sound when it comes to making phone calls. But I'll let you be the judge. I'm going to record a little sound clip here and give you a listen. You are now listening to the sound quality of the PaMu Slide Minis microphones. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Now, as far as the infamous PaMu shake test goes, well, I decided to give it a try out myself, and we'll do it right here for you. Woo! Okay. Whoa. Head spinning a little bit, but I did shake around quite a bit, and there is no slippage. And I've done a lot of sweating them in the past week. I know that sounds gross, but they have not come out of my ears. And I really like the design. It's not protruding out as much as I thought it would be. Now, as far as independent usage goes, I'm able to take these out and pop them in. I hear a tone. And I'm using one earbud independently. So I had no problems putting each one in the case. And now, the final thoughts. My final impressions. Well, my final impressions are, what can I say? They've got about everything that I want in an earbud. They got touch controls, they've got volume controls. They also are compact. I can fit them in my pocket while I'm working out. They don't slip out of my ears. And they come in a lot of cool colors. Black's my favorite, so can't go wrong with black. They've got fast USB charging. Takes about an hour and a half to charge from dead for both the case and the earbuds. Now the features are all there as far as an AirPods competitor. Now I know the Airpods Pro has active noise canceling, and we're going to be reviewing some budget active noise canceling earbuds on this station. However, you can get these at a fraction of the cost of the AirPods 2. I mean, they're $50 shipped. I have to say, I forgot about my other favorite earbuds while I was wearing these all week, so they're kind of getting up there as far as my favorite earbuds go. So with that in mind, I have to give the PaMu Slide Minis a big thumbs up. Hey! Hey, this is Brian with Old Man New Tech. We can't make this channel happen without you, so please hit subscribe and smash that bell down below. And if you're looking for product links, you'll find them there too. Thank you.